welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is a Dollar Tree haul with some new finds. Some things are for fall, some things are just for crafting, and then I found a couple cookbooks that I'm really excited about. So let me show you what I found in this Dollar Tree haul for 2020 July, okay? First of all, I found this pumpkin spice and everything nice mug. I love it. It is so pretty. And it's on the back. It says the same thing. And I love these little leaves right here and here. And I like that and nice are in black. It really makes it stand out against that orange and the white. I just think this is so fun. I can see me drinking my morning tea out of this and having a blast. I cannot wait for fall. Okay, then I also was able to find one of these plates. I'm so excited. I'm looking for 3 more, and then I need to find 3 more bowls and 3 more salad plates. But wouldn't this be beautiful on your fall tablescape? I love that big sunflower with the little ones and then that whitish background. It's kind of a creamish white. Oh, it's so pretty. I just love that. So I was very happy to find that. And we're having this enormous storm, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not. Then I went ahead and picked up one of these. Now these aren't new. I've seen them in there before. But I love the little it's a pumpkin, but it looks like mercury glass almost. I have so many ideas to do with this. I think I'm going to pick up a couple more. Okay, and then look what I found. I found some more of this garland in the orange and the red. And one of you said that I could always take my paints and paint the one that was a little bit darker and put some orange on it, and I could. Why didn't I think of that? But I think this is so pretty, so I'm happy about that. Now, wait for it. Look at these Crafter Square large clamps, and they say heavy duty right here. Can you believe this? So I picked up 2 packages. I've never seen these before. Then I picked up a relax sign in the Crafter Square section. I just thought that is so cute. And then I found some more glitter, Crafter Square glitter. I picked up the other day the red and the green. This time I have the really pretty blue, the silver, and the gold. And I love it because they're in these little flip tops, so much more high end, okay? So I picked up 3 of those. Then I found this glue tape that comes like this, that has the little container where you just slide it on there, and I thought I would give this a try. And then I found, I don't normally buy nail polish at the Dollar Tree because it has formaldehyde and I have so many allergies, but I saw these Sassy and Chic nail art pens, and I thought, you know, maybe to wear one time like around the holidays, I might really enjoy it. And it has, what you can do is you can polish with this, then you can apply these stones on the top, and then it has a little tip right here where you can make nail art. And I thought that was so cute. So I picked up a blue one and I picked up a red one. I'll try it out. I don't know. And then I was able to find some Crafter Square summer wood cutouts. I really wanted the one that had the shell, the seahorse, and the starfish. I couldn't find it, but I found these really cute little mermaid, a turtle, and a dolphin. I think those are really cute, and you get 2 to a pack. And then I found the one that had like the wheel, the boat, and the anchor. So I'm looking forward to doing some DIYs with these. And then I went ahead and picked up another package of the ladybug, the owl, and the butterfly. You can never be too prepared. Okay, then look what I found. I found these. Now I think I've seen these before, but look how high end these look. I just love them. They're so pretty. They're the little cactus. And then this one is like this. It's not as shiny as the other one, but I picked it up. I think it would be beautiful decor just sitting around in your cabinets or anywhere. Then I found some Crafter's Square double-sided tape. So I picked this up, and it's acid free, and you get 33 feet of this. And then the other day I hauled the Crafter's Square jewel border stickers, but they were like the champagne and colored. These are like white little pearls. I hope you can see. And then they have the clear stones around them. So I picked up 2 packets of these. Then I found Crafter's Square wood carving set. Look at that. And it has like a flat blade, an engraving, a triangle, and round tip. Look at that. You know, if you just have some wood that you need to do something to, I'm gonna try these out. And then I found the Crafter's Square Scrap Utility Knife Set. It's basically like an X-Acto knife. But look at that. You get 6 of the different tips, and you get your little knife blade, and then you get the case for $1. Okay, and then I found Summer Cooking Made Simple. When I saw this, I love salads in the summer because they're so cooling and it's so hot down here. And this little cucumber and radish salad just looked delicious to me. But they have like grilled chicken and mango tacos. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Whole wheat pasta and asparagus. I mean, just tons of these for $1. I love it. And then I found Cookout Made Simple. Look at this. Does that not just make you hungry? Oh, and it has everything, all kinds of different things in here. From steak to burgers to salmon and pineapple kebabs. I'm not really a big fish eater. Isn't that strange? I live in Florida. I like shrimp and crab, but I'm not so much on fish. My husband loves it. But grilled vegetable wraps, I mean, they have so many nice pasta, pesto, salad. Look at that. And they have some grilled vegetables in here that reminded me, that's grilled pineapple. Oh, I love that. That reminded me of Zoe's. Let me see if I can find them. And I was hoping to be able to grill me some really good vegetables with the flavor that I can't find it now, but this is great for $1. So that concludes everything that I found at the Dollar Tree. Now I did have a request to show this little recipe stand that I made from the Dollar Tree with a recipe book on it. So here it is. It sets up nicely, as you can see. You can open it and it will hold everything. So I hope that that is what you wanted. You said it was, so I wanted to do it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you on Friday for another Dollar Tree DIY. Today I've uploaded 2 videos, my Dollar Tree haul and my planner using Dollar Tree stickers and washi tape. A lot of you had asked me why I buy so much washi tape and I decorate my planner with it. So until next time, bye guys.